Hey, slow down. Why were you speeding?
Officer, I'm not speeding.
You were not speeding.
Officer, I was not speeding.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, officer.
Let me see all the papers of this vehicle.
Officer, this is it.
Where is your proof of ownership?
Officer, is there.
Where is your roadworthiness?
Officer, is there.
Where is your third-party insurance?
Officer, is there. Look at it. Look at it here. Look at it here.
Okay. Where is your police extract?
Officer, is there now. Check. It's there. Look at it. It's there.
And where is your tinted permit?
Officer, is there now. Check for it. It's there. All my papers are complete, officer.
Oh, your papers are complete.
Yes, officer.
I can see. What are you doing with that bottle?
Officer, I'm drinking soda.
So you are drinking and driving?
Officer, this is just soda now. How am I?
Yes,
just soda.
You are drinking and driving. Did the law say drink soda while driving?
Officer, when did drinking soda become a crime?
The law said don't drink and drive.
Officer, I am not. Officer, I'm drinking soda. This is not alcohol.
I am the officer of the law. You are drinking and driving. Step out of this vehicle.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Officer, this is not alcohol. This is just.
Step out of this vehicle.
This is mere soda. Officer,
we are taking you to the station. Step out of this vehicle.
This is not alcohol. This is just soda.
Your papers are complete, but you have broken the law.
Officer, how did I break the law? I am just drinking soda.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. I think the law said you shouldn't drive under the influence of alcohol.
Common Corporal is teaching me my job. My friend, will you get back to your position?
Sorry, sir.
Step down.
Officer, what did I do now?
To the station. You will come to the station and explain yourself.
Please calm down.
Officer,
calm down.
But this is not alcohol. This is just soda. Officer, but my papers are complete now.
When you get to the station, you explain yourself.
Officer, how? Officer, I'm just drinking soda now. Officer, this is soda. Officer, this is soda. This is not alcohol. This is not alcohol.
Are you teaching me my job?
Officer, my car. Officer, my papers are complete.
I don't want to arrest you, but I'm going to arrest you now.
Arrest me for what? My papers are complete. I'm not drinking alcohol.
Officer, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You look suspicious. Take off that eyeglass. I hope you're not carrying any exhibit inside this car.
I am not, sir.
Where are the papers of this vehicle?
Officer, you're not a member of the Federal Road Safety Corps. You should not be asking me that question.
What do you mean?
According to the FRSC Act of 2007, only members of the Corps can arrest or prosecute any driver if 1. The driver is driving with faulty headlamps, 2. Obstructing the traffic, 3. Disobeying traffic laws, 4.
Stop! Who are you? Are you a lawyer?
No.
Are you a forceman?
No.
Are you a politician?
I am not.
Do you have any family member that is in the law, force or politics?
No, sir, I do not.
You are under arrest.
Under arrest? For what?
For possession.
Possession of what?
Wrongful possession.
Wrongful possession of what?
Wrongful possession of information that does not belong to you. Calm down. You are under arrest. You are going to the station.
Officer, I don't understand.
How did you know all these things that you are quoting?
I read. I do research.
Oh, you are reading things that does not belong to you.
Officer. Officer, what's the meaning of this?
Oh, you are even taller than the officer of the law. You are looking down on me. This is harassment. Arrest him.
Excuse me, sir. I think the possession of knowledge is not a crime.
Yes.
According to the rule of law.
My friend, will you keep quiet? When do you join the police force? Arrest him.
I'm sorry, sir. You're under
officer.
Arrest
This is
him.
wrong, go. This is wrong.
Take this case to the station.
This is unlawful. Move. People are disgracing police in this country. This is wrong. What is my crime? What is my offense? What did I do wrong?
When you reach the station, you explain yourself.
What is my offense?
I'm here suffering in the sun and you are driving big car. You're speaking vivid English and quoting. Idiot. If I catch you now, they will ban our, they will say we are using abusive language.
Excuse me, sir. I want to discuss something with you. Officer, the way you are doing this police work, you overdoing it too.
My friend, will you keep quiet? What do you know? Do you know how long I've been in this force? This is why you remain as a corporal and you cannot rise above this level. How do you think I got here? It is overdue that got me here.
Overdue? Officer, see, you know, according to our constitution, you are supposed to do the work to a certain limit.
Shut up! Are you teaching me my job? Common corporal like you are so wretched. You've been a corporal from the other side that they brought you. From the other division they brought you to this place. You still remain a corporal. 7 years now you are still a corporal. Watch and learn. It is overdue that brought me to this position. And it's only overdue that can take you out of this your wretched position. Stop that car! Stop that car!
Stop there! Stop there! Slow down! Slow down! Stop there!
Stop there! Why are you speeding under this rain?
I'm very sorry, sir.
Park!
Where?
Park this motor! Park this motor! Driver, I am not going to ask you for the papers of this vehicle. They say it's only the road safety that can ask for that now. So I'm going to do my job, which is stop and search. So everybody's going to come down from this vehicle and I'm going to search all of you.
But officer, it's raining now.
My friend, will you keep quiet?
Officer, rain is falling now.
Am I not under the rain? Am I complaining?
But officer, I'm pregnant.
Now, everybody, come down from this car. I'm going to search everybody one after the other. You come down. What do you have in your pocket?
It's my phone, sir.
And what is this?
This is wine.
Are you sure this is wine?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. All these people that be carrying this inside bottle and they will say it is wine.
So I'm going for a birthday. This is a birthday gift. It is wine, sir.
I will need to test this wine to be very, very sure that this is wine.
Officer, you want to test my wine?
Yes!
You want to test wine that I bought for somebody?
My friend, will you keep quiet? Do you want to teach me my job?
Officer, don't pop it. Don't pop it, oh.
My friend, will you keep quiet? This is a suspicious act. I need to be very, very sure that this is wine. This is wine, but it is tasting. This is wine. You are very lucky that this is wine. Find a way and close it. My friend, step aside. Driver, on your inner lights. Oh yeah, you. Come down. You look very suspicious. You look like a criminal.
Officer, I don't know what you're talking about.
What is inside your pocket?
Officer, nothing. Just my phone.
Are you sure that you have not used this pocket to carry weed before?
Officer, check. There's nothing inside. Only my phone.
This pocket is testing weed. Take this guy to one side. And you're wearing army camouflage.
Officer, this is
You're
not...
a criminal. Are you sure you're not a militant? Take him that side. Take him behind.
Oh yeah.
My friend, you're under arrest.
Officer, I have
You
children.
are under arrest. And you, come down. What is in this bag? What are you carrying?
It's my auntie's baby food.
Your auntie's baby's food.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you're not smuggling something inside this bag?
No, sir. No, sir.
Are you sure this food is not poisoned?
No, sir.
Let me see. What is this?
Golden Moon, sir.
Golden Moon without spoon.
No, sir. I have spoon.
Are you sure it's not poisoned this food?
No, sir.
You are very sure?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to test it. Too much sugar. This food is not good for babies.
Sir, sorry. Let me test.
Come on, shut up there. Are you a senior officer?
Officer, you're finishing the Golden Moon.
Come on, shut up.
My auntie will kill
I'm
me.
trying to save the baby. You are putting too much sugar inside baby's food.
My auntie will kill me. Oh.
You want to give the baby diabetes?
Sir, but this is not right.
Come on, shut up! You're in front of a suspect.
Hey, officer. You have finished it though.
What's the next thing there? Let me see. You want to poison the baby? What is this?
It's milk. The baby's milk.
Baby's milk?
Yes, sir.
Is this original milk?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure this milk is original?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to test it.
Officer.
Officer, this is for babies now.
My friend, are you correcting me in the front of suspects?
Hey, officer.
I'm sorry, sir. Let me test.
My friend, are you a senior officer? Are you sure this milk has vitamin D?
Yes, sir.
That means
Yes,
it
sir.
is very, very good for the health. What is the rest thing you have inside there?
Sir, hot water.
No, don't worry. Yeah, step aside. Next. No, madam, you come down.
Officer, she's pregnant too.
And so, who is this one? My friend, get out from here.
Madam, take it easy.
Thank you.
Come on, go far.
Officer, good evening.
Yes, good evening. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the hospital.
You are pregnant. Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Is your husband responsible for this pregnancy?
Of course, my husband is responsible for my pregnancy.
Are you sure this is real pregnancy?
This is pregnancy now, officer.
I am going to test it.
What do you mean?
Anyway, never mind. What is in your bag?
Nothing is inside my bag.
Are you sure there's nothing inside this bag?
There is nothing inside my bag.
Open it, let me see. Then what is this? Oh, you see? An exhibit. First, you lied to an officer. And you are carrying beer. This is an exhibit.
Hey! Officer, it's not beer.
You are trying to kill this baby. Shut up. Just see. This is beer.
No, officer, it's not beer. It's not beer.
It is beer. You are
It's
trying
not
to...
beer.
Shut up.
It's not beer.
Shut up. I'm going to test it. You are trying to harm this baby with beer.
This is not beer.
What kind of salty beer is this?
Officer, I told you this.
Shut up. Test it.
Officer! This beer is tasting like urine.
Like urine?
Yes.
Officer, I told you this is not beer. This is my urine. I'm going for a urine culture test.
You mean I drank your urine?
No, it's beer you drank. Urine flavor.